Presenting a pre-owned 2015 Nissan Leaf S. This 4-door hatchback has engine, with front-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Nissan is a great value with less than 26,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 126 miles per gallon in the city, and 101 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, power windows, battery saver, digital odometer, external temperature display, body side reinforcements, child seat anchors, seat belt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, wireless data link, spare tire kit, and window defogger. Thank you for visiting Michael's Motorcars. Since 1996 we have been the Jersey Shore's premier dealership, specializing in quality automobiles at great prices, guaranteed financing available. Stop in for a test drive today or call 732-775-4444.